हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम लोग 4.3 चेसिंग द सी मॉन्स्टर इसके जो इंग्लिश है 7th क्लास इंग्लिश का इसका वर्कशॉप आज हम लोग देखने वाले हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर वीडियो विथ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। फ्रॉम द पैसेज फाइंड ऑल द वर्ड्स एंड फ्रेजेस यूज्ड टू डिस्क्राइब द मॉन्स्टर। इसका आंसर आपको लिखना है the animal, the fearsome creature, unknown creature, a long blackish body, that infernal beast, the motionless animal। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 यहाँ पर आपको दिया हुआ है, हाउ लॉन्ग डज द whole event described in this passage take? Work it out by reading the passage. Answer: the event takes a long time from the night before till the next evening। Question number 3, how did the battle between the sheep and the monster end? Find and copy the lines where you find the answer to this question। आंसर यहाँ पर आपको दिया हुआ है, when the ship was 20 feet away from the monster, Ned Land launched his dreadful harpoon. The weapon hit some hard substances. The electric light of the monster went out and two enormous water sports crashed into the decks of the frigate. Speeding like a torrent from the one end of the ship to the other, this toppled crewman broke spare mast and yardmates from the lashings. A hideous collision had occurred and the narrator was thrown into the sea. The battle ended there। Question number 4, what attempts did the ship make to defeat the monster? Find in the copy lines from the passage. Describe at least two of the attempts. Answer: in the first instances, the commander ordered the engineers to sail full steam towards the animal. They chased the animal, but the animal still off swiftly. Therefore, Castle cannon uh, was immediately loaded and leveled. The cannoneer fired a shot but failed the target. The other gunner took aim for a good while. The shell reached the target and hit the animal, but it bounced off its rounded surface. The animal vanished. The hunt continued at 10:50 in the evening. The monster reappeared 3 miles away from the ship. The commander ordered to attack when it was 100 feet away from the ship. The harpoon was launched, but of no chooses. Two enormous water sports crashed and devastated the ship, and their attempts failed। Question number 5, find the different units of the measurement mentioned in the passage and get more information about them from the internet। Answer: 5 miles away, a mile and a half, a meter, some feet above, 6 inch there, 3 miles, 2 cable lengths, 100 feet, 20 feet। Question number 6, find all the words ending with the suffix less, tirelessly, emotionless and motionless। तो स्टूडेंट ये थे इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर जो मैंने आपको बताया वर्कशॉप। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय।